Hi, welcome to Love Vegan again. Today we've got a special guest to come to cook for us, and Chef Mauro from Vegan Yes. Then today Vegan Yes gonna come and cook. What's this? Can you tell us about it?
Yes, today I will show you how to prepare chocolate potato.
Wow, chocolate potato.
Yes.
That sounds amazing, right? So I'm gonna leave Chef Mauro to cook the dish today, and let's go and see how he's gonna cook it.
Thank you.
See you in a bit.
Hello everyone, I am Chef Mauro from Vegan Yes restaurant in Brick Lane, London. And today I show you how to prepare my amazing dessert called chocolate potato. The ingredient for chocolate potato is gnocchi, potato pasta, and soya milk unsweetened, and some sugar, and vegan chocolate, and gochujang, spicy fermented Korean sauce, and some sesame to dressing on top. And this dish, they come from my very child memory. When I was younger, my grandmother, they make a pasta, fresh pasta, and she made a ravioli, and they have some spare piece of pasta. So in the afternoon, like 5 p.m. at tea time, she prepared some snack for me. They take the pasta and they put in the milk and they cook with the sugar, and they give to me like a snack. And yeah, it was amazing. And 3 years ago, when I was in the winter in my shop, my memory, they go back on my childhood and they pick up this event. So this is the story how I invented chocolate potato. And now we go to cook. Now I show you how to prepare chocolate potato. So we put gnocchi potato in the pot. Yeah. We add soya milk. The soya milk is unsweetened, so we put spoon and half of sugar, and we put 1 pinch of gochujang. Weird but wonderful. And now we go up with the fire and we stir. Slowly now the gnocchi, they start to cook, and the gnocchi potato is made with the potato and some flour. So the flour inside the gnocchi, slowly they release from the gnocchi, and they help to make more creamy and tasty. But at the end we have chocolate, so we will see the nice result. You can see they start to cook and boil it. So you can see slowly they come thick and thick. The gnocchi is almost cooked because you can see broken with a spoon. So we arrive almost at the end. Turn a little bit. It's creamy. You can see how it's creamy because the gnocchi, they release the flour and the milk and the gochujang. So now we can switch off the fire and add the most beautiful ingredient, chocolate. Yeah. We add the chocolate at the end when the gnocchi is already cooked. So warm, the chocolate will be melted. Yeah. is a little bit weird, but I can guarantee them very, very nice. I have customer, they come in the shop, they eat the food, at the end they eat chocolate potato and they make a video. And they say, guys, you should try chocolate potato. So it's posted in our Instagram page. You can see the video from the Indian lady. And voila, now we put in the plate. Now we put chocolate potato in the plate. You can see how... Ooh, nice. Yeah. Yeah, I love chocolate. In my restaurant there's 3 desserts and all of them, they have chocolate inside. I have chocolate potato, chocolate mousse and dark mochi. Mochi covered with chocolate. Okay. And at the end, to make more nice and shining, we put some sesame. Here we go. Ready for you, chocolate potato. Weird but wonderful. If you want to try the original, come in Vegan Yes, 64 Brick Lane, London. Thank you so much, everyone.
So now it's taste test time for the potato chocolate. Chocolate potato.
That's okay. Please.
I'm gonna try. Wow. It's amazing.
Thank you.
Weird but wonderful.
And you can feel it, the chili in the throat.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And chili is good to clean your
Yeah,
throat.
because I was gonna ask you a question why you put gochujang in the dessert.
Yeah.
So is it the reason?
Help
clean
to
it.
clean the throat. And you can feel it not in the mouth, but just here a little bit.
Yeah. It tastes amazing, yeah.
Thank you.
So today we have to say thank you to Chef Mauro.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much for watching today. And then, like Chef Mauro said, if you'd like to try this dish and go to the Brick Lane restaurant, Vegan Yes, and yeah, this is my favorite. All of it. Very nice. Can I have one more?
Sure, it's all for you.
Oh, I know the cameraman gonna kill me if I'm gonna eat it.